Okay, welcome back to day 2 of our K-Case down and back 35-foot race.
Peek at who's competing today. I'll tell you what, these guys are fast. And it's going to be really fun to see who's going to be the champion.
We have the 2 champions from the J case and the H case. We're going to crown a new overall case champion today. Let's get started. First up will be the Grand Cross and the Range Rover. Okay, we have the Range Rover in lane 5 and we have the Grand Cross in lane 6. On your mark, get set, go. Oh, that Range Rover's quick. He's too much for the Grand Cross. Oh, that Range Rover's quick. He's too much for the Grand Cross. Let's switch lanes. The Range Rover with the advantage is in lane 6. On your mark, get set, go. Oh, he's too quick. He's got a lead. Too quick. Looking good. He's moving on. Yeah, looking good. That is a good looking recolor. I like that. All right, let's see who he's going to face. Next up is the Bone Shaker and the Porsche. Okay, Bone Shaker in lane 5, Porsche 911 in lane 6. On your mark, get set, go. Oh, that Bone Shaker's quick with the Porsche with the advantage. No, the Bone Shaker. Nice. Let's switch lanes. See if he can move on to face the Velar. Okay, we switch lanes. The Porsche 911's in lane 5. The Bone Shaker with the advantage is in lane 6. On your mark, get set, go. And Porsche's quick on the straightaway. Woo! But that Bone Shaker can corner. And Porsche's quick on the straightaway. Woo! Nice. He's moving on. I love this recolor. It's a gorgeous car. All right. Ought to be good. Next up, La Fasta versus the Charger. Okay, they're up. They're ready. We have the Charger in lane 5. We have the La Fasta in lane 6. On your mark, get set, go. Oh, that Charger's quick. Can he turn? He is quick. Good race. Let's switch their lanes and see if he's going to move on or not. Okay, we switch lanes. Advantage Charger in lane 6. On your mark, get set, go. Oh, he's quick. He's quick. Oh, yeah. This will be a good final. Okay. 71 Charger. Moving on in those maroon flames. Good looking car. La Fasta wasn't bad, but not fast enough. Next up, we have 2 red beauties. We have the Mercedes-Benz Circle Tracker. Okay, Mercedes-Benz, which is very fast, sitting in lane 5, and the Circle Tracker always a threat in lane 6. On your mark, get set, go. Woo, that Mercedes is quick. Wow. Wow. Woo, that Mercedes is quick. Wow. Impressive. It's looking good. Let's switch them. Okay, the very fast Mercedes is in lane 6 with the advantage. Come on, Circle Tracker. On your mark, get set, go. Man, he is quick and he can corner. All right, he's moving on. He's going to take on the Charger. The Civic and a Monte Carlo pulling for the green guy. Okay, Monte Carlo lane 6, Civic lane 5. On your mark, get set, go. And that Civic's quick. He's too much for the Monte Carlo. That Civic's quick. He's too much for the Monte. Let's switch him up and see if he's gonna move on. Okay, advantage Civic. He's in lane 6. On your mark, get set, go. Come on, Monte Carlo. Good tight race. He just cannot take the turn like the Civic. Civic's moving on. I honestly believe this is the race of the night. The 57 Chevy Rod Squad against the Roger Dodger. This is going to be a race. Okay, this has been a race I've been thinking about all day. We have the 57 Chevy in lane 6. We have Roger Dodger in lane 5. Get ready. On your mark. Get set. Go. Look at that. My gosh. That Roger Dodger can turn. He seems to get faster after the turn. I'll tell you, I'm so impressed with this car right here. Actually, both these cars. I really think that these may be the 2 fastest cars of the group. Let's switch lanes and see if the Rod Squad can win one. What do you two think about the Roger Dodger?
pretty impressive, isn't he?
Okay, advantage Roger Dodger in lane 6. Let's see if the 57 Chevy can pull one out. On your mark, get set, go. He's got the early advantage. My gosh. They are so fast, but that Roger Dodger is crazy fast. He is moving on. Okay, here it is. 6 cars left. Let's get these two up there. The Range Rover Velar against the Bone Shaker. Okay, here we go. Range Rover lane 6. Bone Shaker lane 5. On your mark, get set, go. Woo. All right, race 1 goes to the Velar. Okay, the Range Rover with the advantage in lane 5. The Bone Shaker in lane 6. On your mark, get set, go. Oh, that. Oh, look at that. Nice, he's moving on to the championship round. Next up is the Mercedes-Benz and the Dodge Charger. This should be a good race too. Okay, we have the Mercedes in lane 5. We have the Charger in lane 6. On your mark, get set, go. Oh, that Mercedes is quick. Oh, very nice. First win goes to the Mercedes. Let's switch their lanes. The Mercedes has the advantage. He's in lane 6. Dodge Charger lane 5. On your mark, get set, go. Oh, he's looking good. And he's going to move on. He's going to take on the Velar. Okay, the winner of this is going to take on the winner of this. Let's get these two up. Okay, I think this is going to be a slaughter, but let's see. We got the Civic in lane 6. We have the Roger Dodger in lane 5. On your mark, get set, go. My gosh, he's fast. Wow, that's all I can say is wow. Let's switch lanes, and I think we know what's going to happen. Roger Dodger with the advantage in lane 6. Let's see if the Civic can pull one out. On your mark, get set, go. Man, he is so quick. The Roger Dodger is moving on to the 3-car championship. All right, let's get these two up and find out who he's going to face. Okay, here we go. We have the Range Rover Velar in lane 6. We have the Mercedes-Benz in lane 5. Let's see what's going to happen. On your mark, get set, go. All tight race. Mercedes with the slight advantage. And he's going to move. Woo! That was nice. The Mercedes is going to the little faster lane, so I think he's going to be facing the big man. The Mercedes in lane 6 with the advantage. On your mark, get set, go. Oh, he's quick. He's quick. Can he take him? He is. Oh, he's quick. He's quick. Can he take him? Wow, he pulled it out right there at the end. My gosh, I'm glad my photo finish camera's working today. Wow, that was a great race. We just verified he did win. My gosh, can't wait for you guys to see that. All right, here it is. Here it is. Who's going to be the champion? Who is going to be the champion of the K case? Let's see. Let's find out. Okay, here's the championship of the K race. We have Roger Dodger in lane 5. We have the Mercedes-Benz in lane 6. This is going to be good. On your mark, get set, go. Oh, that Roger Dodger is so freaking fast. My gosh. Okay, let's switch lanes. I don't know if we need to, but let's do it. Okay, here we go. Can the Roger Dodger win the K Case Championship? On your mark, get set, go. Oh, he's a little behind. Oh, he took the lead back. Wow, that is amazing. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we have the K Case champion right there. Just a fantastic, fantastic casting. Very impressive. And let's find out something. I'll put him right there for a second. Let's race the J and the H Case champions right now. And the winner of this race will take on the K Case champion. This will be fun. Okay. Well, this is kind of fun. So we're going to race the J and H Case champions right here, right now. In lane 5, we have the Nerve Hammer. And in lane 6, we have the Formula Solar. On your mark, get set, go. Oh, tight race, tight race. Ooh, the Nerve Hammer. All right. Nerve Hammer wins. Let's switch lanes. Formula Solar can't handle the curve quite as well as the Nerve Hammer. Nerve Hammer with the advantage. Lane 6. On your mark. Get set. Go. Oh, he's fast though. That's Solar. Wow. All right. It looks like we have it. We have our grand championship coming up. We got the Nerve Hammer, who's the H-Case champion, taking on the Roger Dodger, who's the current K-Case champion. Let's see who the overall fastest mainline case champion will be. Okay, here we go. Champion against champion. Nerve Hammer in lane 6 and the Roger Dodger in lane 5. On your mark, get set, go. Oh my goodness sakes. Not even close. Woo. Roger Dodger's quick. Well, let's switch lanes and see what happens. All right, here it is. Is this it? Have we found out who the new case overall champion is? Let's find out. Here we go. Roger Dodger with the advantage in lane 6. The H-Case champion is at the disadvantage in lane 5. Nerve Hammer. On your mark, get set, go. Wow, wow. It is over. Now that was impressive. You guys right there, the Roger Dodger is the case champion and he's the K-Case champion. Coming up very soon, we're going to have the L-Case race and we'll see if the winner of that case can take on this guy. There, I found a perfect spot for him. Thanks for watching. Be on the lookout for the L-Case race and stay safe. Take care. Bye-bye.